Happy money makers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to briefly touch upon 4 cryptos that can 10x in 2022. You might have been trying to figure out why the crypto market is going up. The first thing that you need to understand is Bitcoin is up. Now you want to also find out why Bitcoin is up, because Bitcoin is leading the charge into the crypto market. Bitcoin is about $51,000. It's up 8 to 9%. As you see in last 24 hours, it's up 0.16%. Now if you take a look right here, what I shared, in other words, how you can find 10x crypto that can be getting you a ton of return. So what you need to find out is why Bitcoin is up. When Bitcoin goes up, what other cryptos in altcoin they are going up as well. You also want to keep an eye out around the Bitcoin fear and greed index that I closely look into. Right now we are into 41, so we are getting out of the fear zone. Last week we were in extreme fear with the score of 23, or the index with 23. We went to 34 yesterday. Right now we are 41. Many of the analysts are saying to watch out for the breakout of $53,000 for Bitcoin, and it can skyrocket once again all-time high because of a few reasons. The first of the reason I want to tell you is institutional sell-off to book profit is complete. So as you know, in December many institutions will be taking booking profit to close their book of business, which has been already done. January sees the capital redeployment, which means more money will be getting into the market, whether it's stock market or cryptocurrency market. We'll be seeing more and more money. People will be getting ton of bonuses, so on and so forth. All the financial institutions will have their new targets for 2022, and you don't want to miss out. Someone like you and I, the retail investors, we need to follow where the smart money is going. Holiday season is now retail only. Sophisticated traders building long positions on the calendar futures, and you should be precisely doing what the professional and sophisticated traders are doing. Holders holding the line on chain, and everyone is trying to figure out what is their next big bet coming up. The first crypto that I'm going to share with you, ladies and gentlemen, is, before we go there, I just wanted to quickly share this information with you. The trading activity for Bitcoin, take a look right here. We are 68% buy, so it's green. We saw red, sell for a long time. We are getting out of the zone for 1 year. Take a look. We went to $69,000. We're going back there pretty soon if the trend continues to all the way 69. And I read some articles and reports that it can hit, if it breaks out of certain regions, it can hit $72,000 to $74,000 very soon, and you want to keep an eye out. Typical hold time for investors is 77 days, as you see right here. 963 billion. It is going back to their 1 trillion market cap Bitcoin very soon. Now 4 cryptos that I'm going to share within a second with you. The first one of them is Shiba Inu. There is a reason why Shiba Inu can hit all-time high, why it can have a 200% run. We talked about what are the price points that you want to consider. Once again, I just wanted to quickly share with you that if it can break out of this 3637 region, it can quickly go 200% up, which is 2x return on your investment just in no time, because we have seen how Shiba Inu performed in the past. Let me go back to the screen and you should be able to see how quickly can we ramp up really fast on November 29th. So it's not really a month. We saw that the spike was all the way to 5.3 levels. Prior to that, we also saw that it spiked up right at this point in October, November-ish. So late October, early in November, we saw that on 27th of October, we went from 5 level all the way to almost 9 or 8, 6, 8, 7 level, which was massive. We are going to see very similar trend once again. So I just wanted to quickly share that with you. The second one is Polygon on my list. It is down right now 6%. We saw that all-time high. It hit right before a couple of hours, and I called it out precisely. $2.70 in 24 hours, high and low, all-time high. I couldn't brag more about Polygon. The third crypto is VeCHAIN token. We are seeing 7 to 8% up. We saw that this is as a fresh high. Take a look. I want to show you real quick 1 month data, and you should be able to see that we are seeing a fresh high right here. We can go to 13 cent level if crypto market especially Bitcoin keeps going higher and higher. In my opinion, Bitcoin will go higher because of certain reasons, and I'll share more with you in one more second. But right before that, I really want to tell you that VeCHAIN has some exciting stuff coming up. Webull may launch VeCHAIN very soon based on what we saw in terms of the survey feedback. 85.2% people were saying that they want to see Bitcoin, they want to see VeChain on Webull, and that is going to happen based on what we have seen for Webull in the past, because they do the survey, they don't want to miss out on the transaction volume, and they will launch newer and newer cryptocurrency into their platform. The last one, last but not the least, is Solana. One of the reasons for Solana that I have been telling you guys is institutional investors are more and more interested, and they have been buying more and more Solana. We have seen Solana at 150 level, and since then I've been telling you guys, and this is my chart precisely. I called out Polygon at $1.72. By the way, if you haven't clicked the like button, go hit the like button, help out the channel. It's tremendously helpful. We can share this research analysis with more and more people. Subscribe to my channel, that's super helpful as well. If you want to help support channel, you can also join the Patreon. It's $4.99. We are a small group of people. You can directly talk to me and many other investors. So do your part, hit the like button, subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. If you want to support our channel, join the Patreon. Doesn't cost you really a ton of money, and you can help support. By the way, going back to Solana, and once again, I wanted to quickly call out Polygon. We hit 54% return just in 6 to 7 days. VeChain, we hit almost 30% return. We're at 9.4, and I called out VeChain when it was 7.4 level. Solana 150 to 192 at the moment, 28%. And these are all the cryptos. These are not meme or hype cryptos. These are cryptos that are solving some real world problem, and you want to keep an eye out on this as well. If you take a look at Shiba Inu, going back to our situation, 1 year, massive huge return of 61 million%. I can't believe this. Now last 1 month we are down 11 to 12%. Last 1 week we're up 12%. What you want to see really that how it spiked up from this level. It's 3x level from 2.8. It just spiked up within a couple of days all the way to 3.8 level, which is massive. We are even not half of it at the moment. So there is a strong possibility that it's going to hit 10x in my honest opinion in 2022. Same thing for VET. VET can go from, once again, VET can go from this 9 cents to 90 cents 100% because of the smaller market cap that it has. If you know VET's market cap right now, it's $6 billion. Now many cryptos out in the market, they have 60 billion. I totally believe that VET can do that. It's also, there are initiatives that will keep the total supply into consideration. Max supply is 86 billion with the circulating supply of 64 billion, which is, once again, which is huge, but not as huge as many other cryptos with 60 billion dollar market cap. So you want to keep that in mind as well. Solana is the other one with the circulation supply of 308 million. Solana has some of the network latency impact, DDoS effect. The crypto transactions are falling behind, and they're getting canceled, and they're not being executed. So some of those challenges, once it's resolved, we are seeing more and more spike into this particular crypto as well. We have seen massive return. Take a look. Market cap is up 6% as you see in last 24 hours. We have seen the return of 86,000%. One of the massive return. I've never seen this types of return in crypto before, and these are some of the cryptos that are solving some real world problem that you want to keep an eye out. Once again, can't brag enough about Shiba Inu as well. Why Shiba Inu is going up, we know that. Why Solana, by the way, why Polygon is going up, one of the thing is Uniswap is launching Polygon. That is massive. Not only that, there is one more, Opera is going to make that available into their mobile platform as a decentralized asset, which is going to spike the price up because of the lot of ton of investors who will be once again interested in within the crypto. So I just wanted to keep you posted on this for crypto. Once again, going back, Shiba Inu, that's number one, that can 10x. Number two is Polygon, that can 10x. In my honest opinion, it can hit $22.50 to $25. No doubt about it. VeChain can definitely go from 8 cents to 80 cents or 9 cents to 90 cents. I have no doubt about it because of the real world problem, the supply chain management problem that it's solving. And the last one is Solana because of multiple reasons. One is investors are interested. There is some effect with the network latency and some of the challenges, some of the technical challenges. And definitely it is going to be, once again, one of the bigger crypto that is solving the cost per transaction, which is pretty low, and the speed is pretty high as well. As long as we solve this problem with the network latency, it's going to be very well. Average cost per transaction is 0.00025 transaction per second at the moment, 30 to 82, which is only going up because of technology, powerful build that they are going to come up with, implement some of these changes within the crypto. I hope you like this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.